Get hype, get hype. Hi everyone, J Serenity here, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do this eyebrow look. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'll put my hair back to a ponytail, and today I'm going to be using a spoolie, an angled brush. I'm going to be using 2 colors of concealer. So of course I got the LA Girl. Ooh. 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 I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and Almond. So I have 2 colors because Almond is more of my skin color, like it's close to my skin color, and then Toffee is like a little bit lighter. When you use lighter concealer, it makes your face pop and makes your eyebrows look better. And I have this dip brow in dark brown, and it's by Milani. It is cracked, sorry, but it's in dark brown. Okay, so first you're gonna have to brush your eyebrows out. Now in my eyebrow, I have a little dip in my eyebrow, arching incident.
Wait for it.
I cut my eyebrow. But yes, so you're gonna take your dip brow or your pencil or whatever you're using. You're gonna take it. Now, tip number 1 when you're filling in your eyebrows. Don't overline them unless you want your eyebrows to look thicker. I don't need mine any thicker. For this eyebrow, I'm adding extra product to my brush to add to the dip of my eyebrow. Since I don't have a lot of hair there, I have to make up for what's not there by adding extra dip brow pomade in that area. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are lined up, I outlined them. Tip number 2, you want your eyebrows to have a gradient effect. If you don't have that much eyebrow in the front, this is a trick that you do. So you take your pencil, your powder, or your dip brow. You dip it, get a little bit of product, take it and make one line, one faint line underneath the front of your eyebrow. I'm gonna show you what to do with that line after I fill in the middle of my eyebrow. You want the part back here to be darker than the part in the front, so your eyebrows won't look boxy. So what you do is you fill in the back first. So I dip my brush in. I have product on here now, so I take it and fill it from back to front. Once I get in the middle of my eyebrow, which is still should be dark, but not as dark as your tail, that's when I start. If you're using a pencil, you do lighter strokes. If you're using dip brow, you would dip your brush in the dip brow, and you would still come to the back to get rid of some of that product, and then go to the front. So that way you have less product, and it'll be like a gradient effect. Once you're done filling in the your eyebrows, take a look at them. Eyebrows, of course, everybody here is the same. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. But take a look at the front. The front is not that boxy at all. It's a grading effect. Take your spoolie and brush them. Not hard, just slightly brush them. Earlier, you guys saw me apply the product. If you don't have eyebrows in the front, you saw me apply product right under here. You still see that line. So what you're gonna do with that line, take your spoolie and brush up. There we go. Look at them. See if you like the way they look. Don't worry about how crisp they are now. We're gonna make them crisp with the concealer. All right, so tip number 3, the final tip. You're gonna take the lightest concealer you have. So this is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it has a tip applicator. I use the applicator mainly because it works for me. I don't need an angle brush. If you need an angle brush, that's fine. Just do what I do. Apply the concealer on the back of your hand, only a little bit, and then use what's on the back of your hand with your angle brush. So take a little bit of concealer and outline underneath your eyebrow. Alright, now that you filled in the bottom of your eyebrows, you're going to take less than what you took for the bottom part of your eyebrow and do the top. All right, now don't blend it in yet. Now you're gonna take your slightly darker concealer, put it on the back of your hand. All right, now I'm gonna apply this above the concealer that I already applied. I take my finger and I blend in the concealer. If you wanted to, you could take, you know, a blending brush. You can use a Q-tip. You can use anything to blend out your concealer. Try not to mess up the lines you already made to perfect your eyebrow.
Invincible.
So since I don't wear foundation, if you wear foundation, you can get rid of the ashy lines that you have like around the top. The bottom looks okay simply because it's the bottom of your eyebrow, so that naturally has a highlight because you have your brow bone right there. The dip in your crease makes this part of your eyebrow pop. So since that happens, the bottom of my eyebrow looks okay. Now, you might think it looks okay, but if you take a makeup wipe and like dab around your eyebrow, you can blend the concealer more into your skin. I would demonstrate. Okay, so I have my makeup wipe and I'm going to dab around my eyebrow. Basically what this is doing is getting rid of some of that product and making it blend into your skin. And now I'm gonna swipe up. Alright, so I pull in a little mascara just because it makes your eyes look bigger and more awake. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed and these tips really helped you. See you guys later. Bye. Love you. Mwah.